Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites so you don't chase false leads. First, verify the installer or portable file is on your drive and note where you originally downloaded it. Next, make sure your OS version and 32 versus 64-bit match the app and that you have admin rights to install. Once done, temporarily disable antivirus or add an exception. Malware scanners often quarantine clickers. If you see a quarantine log, restore the executable before proceeding. You now focus on recovery. Start a targeted search with File Explorer or a command line where or which to locate the executable. If missing, download and reinstall the latest compatible version from the original source. Choose a portable build if installers fail. Once installed, check the startup folder and scheduled tasks. Some clickers auto-run from hidden locations. Make sure permissions are correct, and run the app once as administrator to confirm it launches, without being blocked by system policies. You complete the process by validating functionality and adding safeguards. First, test the auto clicker in a safe app or sandbox. Confirm hotkeys, click intervals, and mode settings respond correctly. If problems persist or the app disappears again, inspect Event Viewer and antivirus logs for deletion events, and consider using a system restore point to recover lost files. Finally, keep a backup installer and add the program to your antivirus exceptions so future removals are prevented.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.